So today we're going to make a quick and easy orange chicken. Now for the sauce, you're going to take some rice wine vinegar, a little bit of water, some freshly squeezed orange juice, the zest from that orange. You're going to add in a little bit of sesame oil, some soy sauce, a little bit of sugar, and I'm going to add in some chili garlic sauce. Now if you just have red pepper flakes, you can use that, but I like using this chili garlic sauce. Now we're going to mix all those ingredients together, and then we're going to set that aside. Now in a separate little bowl, we're going to make a cornstarch slurry. This is going to thicken our sauce. You're just going to mix together a little bit of cornstarch and water. You want to get it nice and smooth. Make sure all that cornstarch is dissolved. And then we're going to go ahead and set this aside. Now here in my skillet, I have a couple of tablespoons of oil, and I added in some ground chicken. Now it took me forever to find this ground chicken. I don't know why my grocery stores don't sell ground chicken, but I finally found some. Now you just want to cook your ground chicken until it's nice and brown. You want some crispy bits and pieces in there, so let it get nice and brown. So now it's time to add a couple of seasonings. I'm adding in a little bit of salt, black pepper, and some ground ginger. I also added in some onion powder. Next, we're going to add in some minced garlic. I'm going to let that cook for a few more seconds. You don't want your garlic to burn. Now it's time to add in our sauce. Now once it starts to boil, slowly add in your cornstarch and water, and you want to make sure you mix that well. Your sauce will start to thicken instantly. You guys, this tastes pretty similar to Panda Express orange chicken. I added some green onions on top and some sesame seeds. It's delicious and it's perfect for a weekday dinner. Yum.